ang depensa, takot ang depensa. Okay, takot ang depensa, okay.
Espinosa, number 2, picks up in under 2 points. The number 7, the number 13. On the under to number 12, number 12. Very good again. We will take it by number 8, Espinosa to another Espinosa. Espinosa number 22 being us by number 6. We got this. Marceliano to Espinosa. Espinosa from the outside. Third one. It's a third one. After the number 0, Espinosa. Red Guns Macoro. Here's the number 7. Rebound at number 16. There's a whistle foul ball. There's the number 2. The 2 shots awarded by Cabilis. The second goal by Cabilis. In and out. Rebound, another Cabilis, number 12. 19-15 behind the back three for Marceliana. Rapiding violation by Marceliana. And Macoro, very jersey number 7, guarded by Marceliana. Macoro, that's a pass to Bustamante, kicking out pass number 16, Cabilis, to number 13. 10 seconds on the shot now. Third over. Espinosa, and to pass. Pass to Narumba Cabilis. Baseball pass to number 7, Macoro. Lays it up again by Macoro. 19-17. Down to 2-point lead para sa team Esquinol. Number 22, Espinosa being harassed by Bustamante. Espinosa. Number 1, Marceliana to Espinosa. Espinosa all board. Rebound taken by number 1, Marceliana. By the way, jumpers again. And for the rebound by number 7, Macoro to Bustamante. Number 6, Bustamante. Air ball. May ball na tinawag mo lang ang number 16, Cabilis. Substitution. Quintana moves out. Espinosa, Mitra Kami. Espinosa, high pass to another Espinosa, number 8. He puts it up and in. Kuliban to Cabilis. And the pass. Number 7, Macoro, save the ball. Returns Espinosa, high pass to another Espinosa. Lays it up, in and out. Number 12, Cabilis. Pass to another Cabilis. Cabilis on the drives. The partner there, figured. Letra for the rebound. Letra to Marceliana to Espinosa. Espinosa being harassed by Cabilis. Espinosa. Mark na mapapasahan sa ilalim kay Espinosa. Again, rebound Bustamante. Bustamante with the ball now. Bustamante. 4 minutes, 10 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. Marceliana to Espinosa. Traveling violation. numbers. Number 22, Espinosa. Bounce pass on another Espinosa. Negative. Rebound by number 7, Macoro. Macoro with the ball now. Macoro on the attack. Espinosa. Espinosa number 7. Espinosa to number 22. Another Espinosa. There goes number 16, Capiles. The zigzagging pass to number 13, Oliva. (23-19). 4-point lead. Number 16 by Capiles. Capiles. Ang tumakang pasahan to another Capiles. Capiles attack the defense. Back pass. No substitution. Espinosa moves out. Espinosa, dalawang Espinosa. Bustamante moves out. Marciliana moves out. Three minutes left. Remaining time for the second quarter. Espinosa being asked by Capiles. To another Espinosa from the center. Good Capiles for the rebound. Baseball pass to another Capiles. Capiles number 16 is stopping from the outside. Good. Rebound taken by number 13, Oliva. Oliva on the moves behind the back pass. Capiles to Oliva. He's sleeping at the end line. And number 18, Espinosa to Metra. 25-19, 6-point lead para sa team Espinol. Capiles securing the play to Macoro. Black pass to Capiles, number 12, lose the ball. Whereas number 8, Espinosa. Espinosa pick up pass to another Espinosa. Mid-range, 2 points. There comes Capiles. There's a visa foul calling jersey number 18, Espinosa. 1 minute 55. Second personal foul, Espinosa number 18. Espinosa. Guarded by Capiles. Espinosa. Drop pass from the outside. Wide open for 3. 3 points, Espinosa. There comes Oliva. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Oliva on the attack, Rocker, in and out. Espinosa for the rebound. Moving pass to Nabatete. Nabatete number 35. He puts it up in there. 32-19. 92-19. Oliva, attack, bigger, rebound, taken by number 4. Number 4 with the ball now. Altareos. Number 12. Extra pass to number 13. Oliva. At the bounce to the score. 55 seconds. There comes Espinosa number 18. Espinosa and the pass to another Espinosa. Using the ball. David rebound number 13. 30 seconds. Oliva on the attack, picking up pass. Capiles using the pass figure. Eye for the rebound from Saka. Babalik sa team Espinol. 23 seconds. Number 25. Number 25 to the Espinosa. 15 seconds. There comes Espinosa. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. End of the second quarter, the score 34-21. 13-point lead para sa team Espinol.